Welcome in, guys. Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of the crypto markets. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button here. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press latest and greatest content, guys. Also like the video as it helps the algorithm. I really appreciate that, guys. Moving on to the content for today. Basically, we have the fear and greed index here at around 55, re-entering the greed phase for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for altcoins. The markets have been pumping as of late. Wow, guys, wow. We had a small pullback and, we're still in this ascending channel, but man, things are looking extremely bullish for Ethereum at around 1,300 and basically 1,700. Sorry for that. 1,739. $1,740, as we can see here with this green bullish positive candle for the day. Usually in Crypto Climate, we do not touch Bitcoin, but very briefly, I just want to show we had a high here, a local high, and then a new higher high here recently with this candle. So basically what I think it's going to happen is that right now we had a high with Ethereum, and then we might breach that $1,786 key resistance level that we've been talking about for months on this channel, guys. Bitcoin already pierces 25k key resistance level. I believe it's just a matter of time before ETH follows. So yeah, I mean, we're just talking about probabilities here. ETH will most likely follow Bitcoin in the next couple of days. So right now for ETH, I mean, we haven't closed yet, but again, if we close with this candle or the next, and then we have a confirmation candle, we expect quickly that $2,000 level to be reached, and the same for Bitcoin. Even though just very briefly, 25k, if it was pierced, we expect basically 28 to 32k. That's a big range, but that's what we expect quickly in the next couple of days. Candle still hasn't closed yet, so right now is at a pivotal mark. A lot of strength, a lot of bullishness, in these charts. So we're just talking about the most likely scenario would be to pierce through these key resistances, throughout the weekend. So we'll see. Same deal for basically the market cap for altcoins. Basically, we see here that it's currently at $590 billion. All altcoins have that amount of money inside them, invested into them. Wow. Green bullish candle once again. And we're just watching like a hawk. That's $616 billion. Guys, that point, that pivotal resistance of that mark right there, if we breach it, then we expect 700 billion to be reached soon, guys. If you see, these charts are similar. We have the resistance up here. If we breach this one, we have the resistance up here. If we breach this one, and even for Bitcoin, if we breach the 25k and close, then we have the resistance up here. So basically, man, markets are looking bullish. The banking system is failing per se, it's hectic all over the place, and people expect, for the Fed to restart their printing presses soon. So, hey, we can see that, the prices is reacting to those expectations. And then the DXY, on the other hand, is going down, guys, as we see. We've been ranging between the 103.5 and the 103 and 105.3 levels. They're just ranging in between those values right now, heading towards the support right now as we speak. So we have to wait and see. Is this support going to hold? If not, that 101.4 becomes pivotal. If it does, then we would have to breach the 105.3 once again. So things are not looking that good for the DXY, but things are primed to pump based on all these charts and factors. Guys, don't forget, again, to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would really, really appreciate that. And also, we give back to the community. We have free educational videos with educational presentations. You can take a pen, pencil, and a piece of paper and dig in. So many great educational videos for free. Link in the description down below. Then we move on. Basically, Ethereum, man, its performance, wow, in the last 7 days, up 22.50%. Mind-boggling at $1,741, guys. Then basically, well, let's actually do this here. So I apologize for that. Live editing done cheap. There we go. Number 2, BNB at $335, up 21% as well. Number 3, XRP the scam, still stable coining at around 37 cents, up 1.74%. Number 4, Cardano at around 34 cents, up 9.27%. And then number 5, Matic at $1.20, up 13.80%. That's for the top 5. Then the top 5 best performing assets for the past week. We start immediately with cornflakes at 35 cents, up 123%. Insanity. Number 2, Stacks at $1.15, up 90%. Number 3, Immutable IMX at $1.47, up almost 80%. Number 4, Singularity Net, basically at 2/4 or half a dollar, up 62%. And then number 5, Phantom at almost 2/4 as well, up 40% for the last 7 days. Insanity. Then we have the top 5 worst performers in the last 7 days. We start with MakerDAO at $712, down 9.67%. Number 2, Yunus said Leo at $3.38, down 1%. And then basically you have stable coins because most other markets, have been pumping as of late. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Don't forget, we also have great investment tools and resources. Our website, link in the description down below. Hope you guys have a good one.